Meaning of fashion statement.
Fashion statement.
Fashion statement.
Fashion statement.
Fashion statement. A fashion statement is a type of visual communication that conveys a person's tastes, preferences, and attitudes towards fashion. It involves wearing clothing or accessories that are particularly eye-catching, unusual, or distinctive in order to stand out and make an impression. Fashion statements can be used to express creativity, individuality, rebellion, or even political or social views. By making a bold or unconventional fashion statement, individuals can signal to others that they are confident, daring, or simply unafraid to be themselves.